What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to adjust the screen size of your LG Smart TV to full screen. So if you're watching a movie or a video on your LG Smart TV and you notice that it is not on full screen or there is just some empty spaces around the TV, then you can actually go ahead and adjust the screen size. And to do that, what you want to do is to head over to the settings of your LG Smart TV. You can go ahead and press on the settings icon on your remote control, or alternatively, you can just go over to the top just like so, click on the settings icon over here, and from here you just want to scroll down until you get to all settings over here. Click on it, and from the picture settings you just want to scroll over to the right hand side and then scroll down to aspect ratio. Now aspect ratio is actually the feature that allows you to change the screen size of your LG Smart TV. So go ahead and select it just like so, and from here you want to click on user selections over here. Now you want to go ahead and adjust your LG Smart TV screen size to whatever you want. So you can go ahead and put it on original, which will automatically use the screen size that is actually given by the TV. But if you want the video or movie you're watching on your LG Smart TV to be on full screen, what you can actually do is to just scroll down and then go ahead and click on 4-way zoom over here. Now what this option does is that it zooms the movie and makes it full screen for your LG Smart TV. So once this is done, you can now go ahead and start watching your video or your movie on your LG Smart TV, and trust me, your screen size will be on full screen. So basically, that is how to adjust the screen size of your LG Smart TV to full screen. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.